What's up guys, Clint Riether here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to check out the brand new 2024 X24 by MasterCraft. Let's check it out. Now that we're in the X24 now, this is equipped with the X series, your transom loungers. Pop-up headrest on either side. You have your convertible reversible seating. And then with the 24, you get these nice port side and starboard pop-ups. So everybody has a place to sit. Let's check out the dash. Now that we're here at the helm, X24 does have the dual screens. On this screen, drive, surf, wake, ski, chill mode, audio, RGB lighting all through the screen here. But still with the MasterCraft, what I love, they still have analog buttons for all the important stuff, navigation, audio, ballast, and tabs. Let's check out the bow. Now up in the bow, super wide with the pick-a-fork seating right here. True actual armrest. Again with MasterCraft, a lot of storage. This flows through all the way into this observer seating right here. A lot of storage in this boat. Again, if you want to check out this one or the models we have, my name is Clint Riether here at MarineMax, Lewisville, Texas. Looking forward to seeing you.